Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Abu Bakar and my number metric is AA200191. Me and my friends are from Group 4, Section 7, AutoCAD, and our lecturer is Mr. Ahmad Faiz bin Mak Zain. So, I will present the background of studies and objective. I will present background of studies. So, as we all know, machine the theme of this project group assignment for the technical drawing and CAD subject for this semester. We were assigned to choose a small or medium mechanical system. The component must have reached a minimum target of 7. Therefore, we have decided to choose a mechanical pencil as one of the mechanical system. Then we have to draw it using the AutoCAD software application. We have two methods to examine further, which are orthographic 2D drawing and isometric 3D drawing, in order to draw the main part in mechanical pencil. Next, I will present the objective of this project. First objective is to expose diploma students to engineering drawing by providing opportunities to improve their preparation and interpretation of engineering drawings. Next, to improve one's skills and understanding of engineering drawing. Other than that, the objective is to identify and understand the fundamentals of the project that has been used, which is software application oriented and embed with sketching knowledge. Besides, to learn the basic how to use AutoCAD software in orthographic drawing and solid modeling. Last but not least, to improve students' skill in sketching freehand and using the AutoCAD software application.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Amirul Muzammil bin Rahman. My metric number is AA200352. Here I'm gonna present about literature review of our project. Okay, first of all, background of the project. Mechanical pencil differ from standard pencils in that the graphite lead is not attached to the outer casing. A mechanical pencil lead is made out of thin stick graphite, wax and clay. Some of these pencils substitute recycled industrial carbon for graphite. The tool for writing have already changed over the centuries, whereas upon the time we had to use goose feather to write. Yes, goose feather. There are now thousands of pencils available in a variety of size and shape. So this is some of the story of mechanical pencil. The one who created mechanical pencil was Samson Morden and Gabriel Riddle in England. It is made around 1822. It was more likely to be a refillable lead holder than a mechanical pencil at that time. And Samson Morden continued to produce these pencils until at the end of the World War II. More than 160 patents for mechanical pencil advances were registered between 1822 and 1874. So the lead, the 0.9 mm lead was debuted in 1938, followed by 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9. Then that mechanical pencil with diameter 1.3 and 1.4 mm were also viable. Now the 0.4 and 0.2 version of mechanical pencil are also produced. And in Japan, Tokuji Hayakawa refined this mechanical pencil in 1915 and it became popular. The early debut of this pencil did not meet with immediate success, until one of the Yokohama-based enterprises purchased a considerable quantity of it. At the same time, Charles R. Kiran created a comparable pencil that would serve as the forerunner to majority of today's pencil. Development history of Kiran and Hayakawa are frequently intertwined, with the Kiran design being ratchet-based and the Hayakawa design is being screw-based.
Hi, my name is Nur Ikman Izzuddin Bizainuddin, and I will explain about the project structure. This project divided into two structure, which is outer and inner. The outer we have concave with length 17.5 mm, hourglass 112 mm, eraser 10 mm, razor cap 15.5 mm. And in the inner structure, we have the lead retainer 12 mm, shaft 13 mm, and upper shaft 16 mm. That's all.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ali Benrani. My matrix number is AA200-324. So, I will discuss about the project drawing and conclusion for our group's project. So, in project drawing, we are in order to show three sorts of drawing for the task. Isometric view sketch for each part and product, and multi-view sketch top, from and sideways, which is orthographic 2D drawings for each part using the AutoCAD software. We further to the orthographic drawing and solid modeling isometric 3D. So, as you can see at my slide, we can see the right side is a orthographic drawing 2D, and my left side is a solid modeling isometric 3D. Okay, so we go for the component 2, which is eraser. And we go further for the component 3, upper shaft, and we go further for the component 4, cone cut, component 5, shaft, component 6, hourglass barrel, and last is component 7, which is lead retainer. So for the conclusion, we are successfully completing our AutoCAD project assessment in course of technical drawing and CAD after working hard for a few weeks. Even though we have facing some problem, but we can do it. So after watch all the video and get advice for lecturer, we are able to complete this project before the due date. We also gain a lot of knowledge about the AutoCAD software application and experience of working in group that can be applied while in the workplace. Because of this project, we involve the measurement of the object. We also can improve our measurement scale in how to use the measuring tool such as vernier caliper to measure our drawing product. In addition, we also can increase the spirit of working in group and add a new members, share idea and view to build a chemistry. According to our assessment, we are mostly achieve our overall objective and the criteria that needed to finish this AutoCAD project. Other than that, we are also learning a lot of things about the simple mechanism of mechanical pencil that we use in daily life as the students. We also know how the production produce a product, starting for the orthographic drawing 2D to the solid modeling isometric 3D. Last but not least, the majority of the concept, which is the overall concept covered in class, are applied to this project in order to complete this task. So that's all from me. Before I end my group presentation, I would like to thanks to our lecturer for teach us, and not forget to our group members. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.